Does your hair get frizzy in humid climate? Humidity is at 80%. In this time-lapse video, we can see the hair becoming frizzy. In high humidity, high porosity hair begins to lose its structure within seconds. The volume rapidly increases, with the hair becoming puffy. The surface of the hair turns dull, losing its shine as the cuticle opens. The roots might lift, contributing to a sudden increase in overall volume. Now, let's do something about this. Specifically formulated for high humidity climates, a 4-step system for lasting results. Start by applying the leave-in conditioner. After shampoo and conditioner on damp hair. Pump a dime to quarter-size amount of the product, add more later if needed. Rub your palms together. Apply from mid-lengths, ends in on the areas more prone to get frizz, avoiding the roots. Use a wide-tooth comb to distribute evenly. Follow with the hair balm. Scoop a pea-size amount. Rub your palms together. Apply on mid-lengths, ends in on the areas more prone to get frizz. Comb again to distribute. And style as usual. Make sure your hair is completely dry. Hair oil is typically applied as a finishing step. Pour a small amount of oil into your palm, start with just a drop or two. A little goes a long way, you can always add more if needed. Rub your palms together to spread the oil. Apply the oil focusing primarily on the mid-lengths and ends of your hair, avoiding the roots. If you find some areas are still frizzy or dull, repeat the process with another drop of oil, focusing only on those specific sections. Finally, if needed, use the hair wax stick for flyaways. Pinpoint the sections with frizz or flyaways, like around your hairline. Gently glide the wax stick directly onto the flyaways, similar to how you use a deodorant stick. Or, gently rub the tip of the stick with your fingertip to pick some up. Rub your fingers together to warm and distribute the wax. Gently press and run your waxed fingertips over the stray hairs, especially around your part, hairline, or any unruly hairs to slick them down. It has been 5 days since we applied the Mixed Media Treasures leave-in collection. We have not restyled the hair, only brushed it. Let's evaluate if the product's formulation remains effective while on the hair for 5 days. We are going for a 15-minute walk. Humidity is at 83%. It has been 5 minutes. Now, we are at the 10-minute mark. It has been 15 minutes total. We can see the product is still effective.
We can see the difference between not using the product and using it, when the humidity is at 83% in both cases.
This collection is a premium hair care line that harnesses the power of nature to transform hair health. We believe that true hair repair and nourishment come from the earth. We provide a handcrafted alternative to mass-produced products. Made in small batches to guarantee the freshest, most potent product possible. Offering a luxurious experience rooted in traditional botanical wisdom and modern hair science. Defy the weather with Mixed Media Treasures, free of fragrances, parabens, phthalates, or sulfates. Shop the new line now at www.mixedmediatreasures.com.